Kubor nag-shlem jong udongsan Hima.
Ka jing Pynbna ya ka result jo ka Hsslc Science, Commerce but Vocational klayat be ya rinti. Habay kren mo joint director ka Mbose Shillong uba Pynbang ulay thu uba baro kayat be namar ki board district ka sarkar ki aila de ki kamtam hakpor badan ka jikhang dam. Wala kata nala ban pindap de ka jingatray lang jong baro. Hakabay day ba ka result jo ka Hsslc Arts but Sslc nakliang joint director ka Mbose ula pentip ba kini kikindiat sngi hadian baki kambaro lala ban pindap ansa Pynbna na ka result.
Because the district administration, the government also, they have really supported us. So what happened is that in those days where there is a total lockdown, still the government has given a permission to allow the official as well as the functionaries of Mbose to come and report to their duties. So in that way, I'm very grateful, though this time with social distancing and all, we have to spread out to different institutions. But I'm very grateful to the principal of quite many institutions also have helping us. So with all these helping hand from everybody, so this is it, the successful declaration of result today. And for the art stream, as well as for the metric result, we are planning to perhaps declare in these coming days. As soon as the works are completed, we will inform everybody the dates and all this.